PFI is already banned. And what is the history of the Karnataka? That Siddaramaiah government has released PFIs, detained. They have withdrawn the cases from PFI. So PFI ban is already done, already confirmed. So what essentially is saying that government is going to ban Bajrang Dal. That means that BJP is banning PFI. So to appease Muslim, we will ban Bajrang Dal. That is why I said it is a Muslim agenda. They are basically what PFI cannot say. Today Congress party is saying that we will take revenge. PSI doesn't have a guts to say that we will take revenge because they know what we are going to do them. So in absence of PFI, today Siddaramaiah and DK Shiv Kumar is telling that look, don't worry, I am here to take revenge on the BJP. So basically the word banning Bajrang Dal has come on behest of PFI because of the request made by PFI. Ki please take revenge of our banning. So this is an absolute manifesto propagated by PFI, prepared at the behest of the PFI sympathizer, prepared on behalf of the ecosystem of the PFI. Because you see, PFI is already banned. So what is the meaning of saying we will ban PFI? Essentially they say that we are going to ban Bajrang Dal. And why you are banning Bajrang Dal? What is the criminal charge against them? What is the bomb blast? Where they have done bomb blast? Where they have done rioting? There is nothing that in Karnataka BJP is doing. So they are just trying to play the ball on behalf of PFI. Ki dekho, aapko the BJP has banned you. So don't worry, we'll take the revenge and we'll ban Bajrang Dal. So today, unfortunately, Congress manifesto looks like the manifesto of PFI, manifesto of fundamentalist Muslim people, organization.
Sir, any more points to add a Karnataka manifesto? As you are one of the popular CM in BJP.
I think Karnataka manifesto is very, very solid. Now it is question of implementing. I want that we must get 150 plus seats with the blessings of people of Karnataka so that this manifesto can be implemented right away from day one.